Hello everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. I'm here today to share my very first kit for sale, a journaling kit. It is quite a basic kit. I am still very new to learning digital art, and that is very much reflected in the price, which is very, very low. Okay, but I do appreciate any support and your feedback. So this is an 11-page kit. It's done in, A4 European. You can resize it to anything you like, and obviously you can print everything to a page. So I made this kit mainly because I'm doing a design team project for the graphics fair, and I wanted to just have a go at making some of my own digitals. So here we go. So I'm calling this kit a Victorian Gent. So the first page here is a selection of photographs, all different Victorian gents for you to cut out. If you want them smaller, print two to a page, and then you'll get smaller sized ones. Okay, they print out pretty nicely. I've tried to sharpen the images where possible so everything's nice and clear. So I've also done some of the paper images that are, people call them paper dolls, and these are all gentlemen. I've released one previously that was ladies. This is all gents, and they have been shrunk down to be mini size so that you can attach them to some ephemera. I've got various tutorials using the female ones. You could do more or less the same process, but do it with the gents. I'm going to be doing some tutorials and videos as I get towards making what I'm going to be doing with these pages. So this is a collage kind of sheet. Now you can either shrink it down 4 to a page and you've got journaling cards. You can fussy cut parts of it. You can use it as a collage sheet and rip it. You could use it as your journal cover. I was just playing with layers and having some fun with collage there. So there's quite a few different layers there going on, and I've picked the kind of red to go with the vintage because I really enjoyed it when I did the female journal that I recently did. So this is a journal page. It's beautiful. So you would fold that in half, and you would obviously it would be a journal, or you can rip it and glue it on. You could do what you want, and all you need to do is on the back is either do it with tea stain, or if you've got a printable coffee dyed one. I think I've released one previously, or I've got a plain page somewhere. You could print that on the back. Okay, and we've got this cluster here, and then this same collage sheet here reduced down and used to decorate the page. It's really, really pretty. So you just trim off the border, the white border. Most printers will only print so far. That's why you have a white border. They don't print right to the edge, don't printers. So that's why you get just in case you're wondering. So here's another one with just the one cluster there, so that you've got plenty of room for writing or doing your own decorating. This is a plainer one. So we've got some ledger paper and some graph paper. As I say, you could print that double-sided. We've also got a plain one here. And what this is at the background here, this is a vintage book. A red coloured vintage book, and then I've layered over with some vintage ripped paper and created pages with it. So quite simple. You've just got them pages there, so you can repeat them, and you could dot them about with your own pages, book pages, tea stained pages, etc, etc. So then I've also done a page of vintage receipts. So yeah, so these have been shrunk down. They're like receipts from restaurants and things like that. Okay, so you can fussy cut them, scrunch them up, distress them, fold them and crease them and ink them to make them look old, and then tuck them in your tuck spots and pockets. Then we've got a page of tags, okay, for you to decorate. Just fussy cut them and cut them out. You can either print them on cardstock or print them on paper and then back them with book page or something like that. Okay, this is me just having a play. So yeah, quite cute. And over on my Ko-fi there are other kits with tags and things in as well. The kit that I did with the ladies in has got quite a lot of tags as well. Okay, then we've got some fussy cutting page. So I've tried to keep it so it's about gentlemen. So we've got some barbershop brushes there, and writing fluid, and then smoking tobacco, and then I think there's one somewhere about there was one somewhere to do with whiskey, but I don't know where that's gone. Maybe I didn't put that on. Maybe I didn't put that one on in the end. And then these here are some book covers, vintage book covers. I have reduced the size of them. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this, because what we can do with these is make 2 little mini books, and then they can be like little inserts inside your journal. Okay, so I'll leave the link in the description box below for my Ko-fi site where you can purchase this. And there are other kits on there. Some of them are free, most of them are free, or you can leave a donation, and the price for this one is really very, very low. Like I say, and I've kept it low because I'm still learning. You know, my work's not perfect. I haven't, my layering's brilliant, but I could do with practicing on some blending so things go together nicer. But it's you know, it's my first one, and I'm quite pleased with it, and you're going to see me using it over the next few days, and hopefully you will purchase it and enjoy it yourself and follow along with some of my tutorials. So there you go. Thanks for joining me. I'm quite excited to use it, and take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.